Hello, TikTokers! So welcome to one of our days where we are talking all about YouTube. And today we're going to be answering another frequently asked question, as we always do. This entire week was about YouTube. So if you've been interested in using YouTube for your business, go ahead and let me know any questions you have. Hi, Prankster. It's nice to see you. Thanks for joining me live. If you're here, go ahead, like, comment, follow me if you'd like to hear more information about how to grow your business online. This week we're focused on YouTube. Last week we talked about podcasting, and the week before that we talked about blogging. We also did an entire series about analytics, and we'll be going into new topics as we go. Every single day I come on here and I answer a frequently asked question. So today's frequently asked question is, how do I market my e-commerce store on YouTube? And we're going to be jumping into the 3 ways that you can do this in just a moment. But just a reminder, like, follow, subscribe, go check out the other videos. All the videos with the yellow background are the ones that are about YouTube, so you can check those out and get answers to other frequently asked questions. If you're following me, if you're seeing this video somewhere that is not TikTok, I do these videos live on TikTok, so you're going to want to go and watch them live so that you can actually join and ask questions. Thank you for that like. And if you are watching me on another platform, follow me, subscribe there as well. I would love to have you see the other stuff that I put out on each platform. So guys, without further ado, our question for today is, how do I market my e-commerce store on YouTube? And so I have 3 ways for you. The first way is you are going to find topics and or questions in your industry that people are searching for or talking about. And so for my brand, Carry Clips, which is where I make water bottle holders, my ideal target audience is hikers, outdoor people, people that like to be outside. And so something that they like to talk about is hiking. So I would look up questions about hiking that I could answer for them so that they could find me and start to trust me to help them find answers to their questions. And then I would eventually get the chance to sell my product. Now, this is great because it's not an initial sale. It's just you're helping somebody with something that you are hopefully passionate about, if that's what you're selling. And so this is a great way to find the right people to be your ideal audience. And so when you talk about these things on YouTube, guess what? You are making it super easy for the right people to find you. The second way that you can market your e-commerce store on YouTube is to record videos. So this is actually 3 steps. So you find those topics, then you're going to record the videos on those topics. And then once you've recorded those videos, you're going to make what I like to call micro commercials. And these micro commercials are actually not commercials. It has nothing to do with being at advertisement through YouTube. It is a video that you make that is like this tiny, tiny micro commercial about your product. You insert that into the video, so then when someone's watching the video about hiking, they also get told about my awesome water bottle holder that they can use while they're hiking. And that is a way for me to insert like this little mini snippet of sales into my video. And it's done in editing, and you can use that same commercial over and over again throughout your videos. So if you want to see an example of what I'm talking about, you can go to my Carry Clips YouTube channel. It's called Carry Clips. And you can see I've done some videos, reviews about tents, and then inserted my mini commercial about my Carry Clips in it. So that is a really great way to market your e-com products on a YouTube channel. There are tons of other ways, and we've discussed other ways to do it on previous videos. So go back and watch the ones with the yellow background. And if you find this really interesting, I'm actually going to be doing a webinar on the 27th of October at 5 p.m. Central Standard Time, where we will be discussing how to use TikTok to grow your YouTube channel. So if TikTok and YouTube are a thing for you and you are e-com, that is the place to be. Even if you're not e-com, I will be teaching you how to do that for TikTok and YouTube as well. So come join us. I hope to see you there. The link is MyScheduledBiz.com/YouTube. If you have any questions, you can definitely post those here in the group. Message me. I would be happy to help you. And I hope to see you tomorrow. We'll be talking more about YouTube. Don't forget to like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow. Have a great day, guys.